State celebrates Teachers' Day 2024. Education Minister T.H. Basantakumar presents Chief Minister's Award for Educational Excellence for Education to 8 colleges. President Draupadi Murmu confers National Teachers Award 2024 to 82 selected educators, recognizing their exceptional contributions to the field of education. And Governor Lakshman Prasad Acharya urges Union Health Minister J.P. Nadda on considering Regional Institute of Medical Sciences as Institute of National Importance. Hello and welcome. You're watching ISCOM English News and I'm Ruby Unkai with you. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. The Department of Education, Government of Manipur organized a state-level celebration of Teachers' Day 2024 at the auditorium of Manipur State Film Development Society MSFDS Palace Compound in Imphal today. Education Minister Thonaujan Basantakumar Singh, Commissioner of Education H. Gyan Prakash, Director of University and Higher Education Dr. Ranjita Bali Wycombe, and Director of Education and State Project Director for Samagra Siksha Manipur L. Nadakumar Singh graced the function as Chief Guest, President and Guest of Honor respectively. As part of the observance, Minister T.H. Basantakumar presented the first Chief Minister's Award for Educational Excellence for Education to 8 colleges. Addressing the gathering as Chief Guest, Minister T.H. Basantakumar lauded the contribution of teachers in shaping a better future for the students who are the torch-bearers of tomorrow. The Minister also lauded the contribution and the dedication of all stakeholders, including the teachers, for achieving great success in the field of education.
Unwavering dedication and invaluable contributions of teachers say appreciate the opportunity amani because teachers are the cornerstone of our society, shaping the minds and futures of our children, who are the future and the torchbearers of tomorrow. You are our future, our students. And so I am proud to share this remarkable some achievements that our department, our officials, our commissioner, our directors, everyone has been involved in bringing such achievements. Achievement mein state education department na achieve say it's all thanks to our officials, our teachers, everyone, all the stakeholders. Ma'am, how na kubam the community?
President of India Draupadi Murmu paid floral tribute to Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, former President of India, on his birth anniversary at Rashtriya Bhavan today. The day marks the birth anniversary of Dr. Radhakrishnan, a renowned educationist, philosopher and statesman. Further, President Murmu conferred the National Teachers Award 2024 to 82 selected educators at Vigyan Bhavan in the national capital, recognizing their exceptional contributions to the field of education. On the eve of Teachers' Day, the President extended warm wishes to teachers across the country, emphasizing their crucial role in nation building. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also joined in the celebrations, expressing gratitude to teachers for their role in shaping young minds. In a post on social media platform X, the Prime Minister extended best wishes on Teachers' Day, an occasion to express gratitude to all teachers who shape young minds. Union Home Minister Amit Shah echoed these sentiments, highlighting the invaluable contributions of teachers in building a strong society and nation. The celebration of Teachers' Day on September 5th has been a long-standing tradition in India, coinciding with the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Born in 1888, Dr. Radhakrishnan's legacy extends beyond his role as an educator. He served as the first Vice President of independent India from 1952 to 1962 and later as the second President from 1962 to 1967. Manipur Governor Lakshman Prasad Acharya called on Union Health Minister J.P. Nadda in New Delhi today and discussed various health issues of the state. Governor urged the Health Minister on considering Regional Institute of Medical Sciences as Institute of National Importance, as the status would receive special recognition, higher autonomy, and can attract the best of talents and researchers, eventually leading to improve the patient care service. It is worth mentioning that many CSOs and political leaders, including Inner Manipur MP Professor Bimol Akoijam, have been requesting the Union Health Minister to upgrade the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS in Manipur to the status of All India Institute of Medical Sciences AIIMS. Notably, RIMS has produced many healthcare professionals serving in India and abroad. The institute caters to patients from neighboring states and international patients from countries like Myanmar. Upgrading RIMS to AIIMS would enhance the region's healthcare infrastructure and contribute to the state's economic development. Hill Areas Committee Chairman Dinganglung Gangmei today inaugurated the Common Facility Center and District Handlooms and Textile Office, None, at None District Headquarters. Attending the function as chief guest, Dinganglung Gangmei unveiled the inaugural plaque in the presence of None Deputy Commissioner Dr. Sarat Chandra Aroju, Director of Handlooms and Textile Manipur, K. Lamli Kame, Len Donner, Stodi Dangmei, and weavers, invitees, and other officials. Speaking at the event, Hill Areas Committee Chairman Dinganglung Gangmei, who is also the MLA of Nungba, appealed to the work agencies that is implementing any kind of developmental projects in the district to establish their projects in a suitable and feasible location for all sections of people for easy accessibility. Be it a hospital, post office, college, women's market, subdivisional office, working women office, or other kinds of developmental work, Dinganglung Gangmei urged the works implementing agency of any project in the None district to complete their work on time by maintaining good quality and hand it over to the people for service. None Deputy Commissioner Dr. Sarat Chandra Aroju appealed every weaver of the None district to come forward and avail of the facilities of the Common Facility Center and also to utilize the various schemes and programs of the District Handlooms and Textile Office. He also extended gratitude to the land donor, Stodi Dangmei, for its contribution in donating the land. A huge catch of weapons with ammunition was recovered in an integrated operations launched by the Army, paramilitary personnel and police at two hotspots in the southern and northern part of Manipur. The integrated operations were conducted at Churachampur and Kangpokpi district, which involved extensive planning and judicious use of explosive detection dogs, metal detectors, and other state-of-the-art equipment. These two districts are stated to be the epicenter of the ongoing communal violence in the state. Based on the intelligent inputs, the joint team of the state and central forces first launched an operation at the Sealmet village of Churachampur district yesterday. The operation was fruitful with the seizure of two smuggled loaded guns, 7 4-bore cartridges, and 1 Kenwood set. In the follow-up action, the coordinated team also conducted an operation at Kangchup Ponlent village in Kangpokpi district. The anti-insurgency campaign ended with the recovery of 1 SLR with magazine, 1.303 rifle without bolt, 1 single-barreled rifle, 2 improvised mortar, 1 HE-32 hand grenade, 3 live ammunition rounds, 3 Bofang radio sets, 29 detonators, and 14 fired cases. Though no arrest has been made in the operations, the confiscated items were handed over to the state police for further line of action. After 6 people lost their lives and 3 injured in a series of massive mudslides and landslides on National Highway 29 between Kohima and Dimapur following heavy rainfall last night, Chief Minister Nephew Rio visited the landslide-affected areas in Ferima, assessed the current situation and urged the concerned authorities to expedite the restoration of regular vehicular movement. Rio stated that the government will ensure the inconveniences to citizens is minimized and that normalcy is restored at the earliest. Earlier, a high-level meeting was convened and chaired by Chief Minister Nephew Rio with Deputy Chief Minister and Minister in charge of National Highway, along with all the concerned officials and agencies on 4th September 2024 to take stock of the situation in the wake of the landslide and damages caused in National Highway 29 on Dimapur-Kohima Road and discuss restoration and relief measures. In pursuance to the travel advisory of the Home Department Nagaland, Deputy Commissioner of Parent Hiazu Meru has issued an advisory for the movement of essential commodities and commuters traveling along the Pimla Junction today. On the other hand, Deputy Commissioner of Twinsang Litrongla Tongpi Rutso has notified extension of restriction of vehicular movement along the same stretch of the National Highway 29 till 6th of September on account of non-completion of debris clearing work. An army vehicle accident in Dalapchan under Pakyong District, Sikkim claimed 3 lives today. The incident occurred in the Pakyong district, leading to the tragic loss of 3 individuals. Meanwhile, 1 person has been grievously injured and is receiving medical attention. Further details about the incident are still awaited. Earlier, 3 army personnel were killed after the truck they were traveling in fell into a gorge near the Tapi area in Upper Subansiri on the Trans-Arunachal Highway on August 27th. The personnel have been identified as Half Nakat Singh, N.K. Mukesh Kumar and G. Ashish. In a similar incident in June, 5 soldiers of the Indian Army were killed after being swept away in flash floods while their tank was crossing a river in the Daulat Bag Oldie area of eastern Ladakh near a line of actual control with China. 4 Jawans and 1 junior commissioned officer, JCO, were crossing a river in the Nyoma Chusult area in a T-72 tank as part of a drill when there was a sudden increase in the water levels and the tank sank due to its impact. Now the headlines once again. State celebrates Teachers' Day 2024. Education Minister T.H. Basantakumar presents Chief Minister's Award for Educational Excellence for education to 8 colleges. President Draupadi Murmu confers National Teachers Award 2024 to 82 selected educators, recognizing their exceptional contributions to the field of education. And Governor Lakshman Prasad Acharya urges Union Health Minister J.P. Nadda on considering Regional Institute of Medical Sciences as Institute of National Importance. That is all we have for now. Thank you for watching ISCOM English News. Stay tuned as more news updates will be coming up at 8 p.m. Until then, have a good evening.